Good morning, friends. Today we're going to be reading The Rainbow Fish. But before we begin, let's go over a couple things. Our learning objectives for today are I can listen to my group talk about the story, I can find the main topic of a story, and I can remember details of a story. Now, here are some important questions I want you guys to think about while we read The Rainbow Fish. The questions are, have you ever had something that you didn't want to share with anyone else? What was it? And what makes someone beautiful? Is it the way they look, the way they are, or both? Now let's read the story. The Rainbow Fish by Marcus Pfister. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea, but he never played with the other fish. I'm too beautiful, he thought. Once, a little blue fish asked for one of his shining scales, but the rainbow fish just laughed. Never, he said. After that, the other fish swam away from him. The rainbow fish was all alone. He went to the starfish for help. Why doesn't anybody like me? He asked. Go ask the octopus, said the starfish. She is very wise. The octopus said, Give away your shining scales. You won't be as beautiful, but you will have friends. I can't do that, cried the rainbow fish. Suddenly, the little blue fish was back. Please, he said, could I have just one scale? Well, the rainbow fish thought, maybe just one little scale. The little blue fish was so pleased, it made the rainbow fish feel happy. Soon, all the fish came, and the rainbow fish gave away his scales one by one. Finally, he had only one shining scale left. But now, as he swam off to play with his friends, he was the happiest fish in the sea. The end. Now, we're going to have a couple discussion questions I want everybody to answer. So, our first question is, what was the story about? We just finished reading The Rainbow Fish, and I want you guys to tell me what you guys think this story is about. So, I want you to turn to a partner and tell each other your answers to this question. After you're done, we're going to come back together as a group, and we're going to have some friends give us their answers to the class. Okay, now ready, set, go. Okay, let's come back together as a class. Our next question is, what important things happened in this story? Now, there were a couple important things that happened to rainbow fish in the story. Now, I want you to turn to a new partner and tell each other your answers to this question. And after that, we'll come back together as a group, and I want a couple new friends to tell us their answers. Ready, set, go. And now our final question is, what did the rainbow fish do to make friends? Now I want you to turn to your new partner, and I want you guys to tell each other your answers to this last question. And then we're going to come back together as a group, and we're going to have a couple new friends tell us their answers. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's come back together as a group, and I want a couple friends to tell us their answers. So what did the rainbow fish have to do to make friends? Yes, he did have to give away his scales to make friends. Now, what do we call that? What do we call when we have something and we give it to another friend so they can have it? Yes, that is sharing. And do we share in the classroom? Yes, we do. We do share in the classroom. So now we're going to do an activity where you friends are going to go to your desks, and then you're going to have a piece of paper, and you're going to draw a picture with markers. Now you have two options. You can either draw something that you would share with somebody, or you can draw a picture of somebody you think is beautiful. Now here is my picture of what I think is beautiful. Now here is my picture, and I drew a picture of something that I would share with. And I will share with one of my friends one of my favorite candy, which is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And I would share this with one of my friends because it would make them very happy. Now I want everybody to go to their desks, and I want you to start drawing your pictures. So now that we finished drawing our pictures, everybody is going to present their pictures to the class, and then you're going to tell us what you drew and why. And afterwards, we're going to have a couple friends tell us what they liked about their friends' pictures. Okay, now let's review our learning objectives. So now you're going to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if we did do our learning objective or not. So, our first learning objective. I can listen to my group talk about the story. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. I think we did do that. I can find the main topic of a story. What was our main topic of our story? Yes, our main topic was, we had two main topics. We had sharing, and what was the other one? Beauty, that was the other one. So did we find the main topics of the story? Thumbs up, I think we did do that. And our last one, I can remember details of a story. Now did we do that too? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, I think we did that too. All right.